Hello, welcome back to southern Sweden. We are in the middle of trying to fit the first bit of railing that Ferdy has just finished welding. Me and Elsa also just right this minute finished laying the floor in the hayloft. So in a couple of days I'm going to sand that and then we can oil it and wax it. That'll be finished. Also the rest of this railing and staircase, banister and everything should get done this week, and maybe if we have time we might even take down the steels in the kitchen, because I was at the metal workshop today in the village and they've pretty much finished the brackets that we need to tie the rafters together. This is very exciting, so yeah, let's see what happens. All right. Okay, it's Tuesday. Ferdy is welding the next section of this railing for the mezzanine. I am trying to make some kind of sense out of this big mess of a kind of edge of this hayloft floor, because it just sort of basically turns into brick and steel and old wooden beam, and we need a good solid base to put the metal railing on. So I have a bit of a plan. It's always difficult, this kind of thing. Don't really know how to explain it too well. Maybe I'll just do it and then I'll explain it as I go. Right. Oh, this has been an enormous pain in the arse. I really have jumped ahead. So I spent ages trying to do like a ramp thing there, but that wasn't working. So in the end, sorry, in the end I have extended the bridge out onto the floor. So there's a little tiny step now, which is totally fine. This piece is level. It's contoured to the floor line there, which is very wonky. So now I'm going to screw this down into the floor, into the concrete. And then I'm going to wedge up this side so that it's level this way. I'm going to make some bigger wedges, and then I will screw those wedges in so that that's supported. And then I will make another one of these, which basically offers up to that one. So we have a nice wide deck. And then the little plinth, like here, underneath the railing, will be able to sit covering the join between those two pieces, and it should all be nicely supported by the wedges, and yeah, fiddly, very fiddly. Okie dokie, that's done. Yeah, sorry you didn't see me doing much of this. It's quite hard for me to film and do it at the same time, but yeah, that's all ready to go. There's still this side to do here, but I will pause on that because I just got the call that the metal brackets for the kitchen restaurant roof rafter ties are ready. So tomorrow morning I will go and pick up those and I will install them, and then we can take out all of the steel beams from the kitchen, which will be a big thing to do. So I will hire a lift thing, which will make it a lot easier to take the beams out, and I will also pick up the floor sander at the same time. So I'm thinking tomorrow I will install those ceiling things and maybe try and finish this other side up here on this mezzanine if I have time. Thursday I will go and get the lift in the morning and the floor sander. We can take out the beams Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon I can sand this floor so that Friday we can get a coat of oil in this room, and that would be a damn good week's work. Maybe I'll get there. You'll have to wait and see. Okay, it's Wednesday. I didn't sleep so good. Probably looking a bit wrecked, but I'm here to film Ferdy welding the next bit of the staircase. If I don't look at the light with my eyes, then it won't get me. Just looking through the screen of the camera. Alright, meanwhile, I've picked up these things and these things, these long metal rods, which are the rafter ties for up here. And so I will now get up there and I will try and fit those without looking at Ferdy as he welds and blinds me. All right.
The bruise.
It's a tattoo.
Maybe the top has to bend more. Is it bent downwards? Maybe this one is not straight.
Yeah.
That would be perfect.
There. Yeah. I think that'll do. Very good, man.
I can just
Screw these in and then like that. There. That's unbelievable that he's made that so happy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's finished. That is all sanded. What a bastard that was. But yeah, looks really fantastic. And yeah, so tomorrow the edges still need a bit of attention in here. So I'm thinking tomorrow morning I will go back, take the floor sander back. Elsa can sand the edges. I will get a lift thing, hopefully, and I need to get some more gas as well for the welder so that Ferdy can finish the staircase, which is very, very nearly done. So yeah, gas tomorrow, staircase finished, take down the big steels in the kitchen, Elsa sands the edges around here, and maybe we even get a coat of oil on here, if Elsa's up for that. Yeah, this could be a really, really incredible week of achievement. But you'll have to keep watching to find out if we make it. All right, see you tomorrow. Okay, it's Friday. We are down here in the kitchen barn. I've just been to rent a lift thing. Ferdy's already cut through 4 of these beams and we're now going to prop those up. Probably shouldn't have cut those yet, but we're going to prop them up and we're going to take out this center beam so then we can easily lower each of these beams one by one. Hopefully this goes smoothly. Hopefully it's not cursed or anything like that. Cool, all right, wish us luck. Okay, I really screwed up actually by asking Ferdy to cut these ends because now it means that it's really hard for us to take down this middle beam because these are all loose at this end, so now we're having to kind of totally shore up these ends and kind of re-clamp them together. So they're standing on acro props and we're just clamping them up so they can't go anywhere, basically. But it makes the whole thing a bit more scary. Yeah, okay, lesson learned, maybe. I don't think I ever learned lessons, really. Maybe if I watch back all these videos at the end and make a list of all the lessons, that might help.
Yeah, all right.
Okay. You win.
Cut these off, huh?
Cut, will they not slide out?
Huh?
Ferdy,
Yeah.
maybe before we do anything we should shift it in a bit.
Okay.
Because it's... What do you think?
You want to go down a little bit more,
Okay.
then it's easier to. Is it this one? Just turn it like this?
Well, just I wasn't really lifting before. Sorry, that took 3 of us to take out, so we didn't film it, but it's looking fucking cool. Is that blade all right, man? Cool. 2 down, 5 to go. In case you're wondering why we're using a reciprocating saw and not an angle grinder, it's because we don't want sparks flying up in there and burning the place down. So yeah, slow with the saw, but safer with the saw. Wow, Friday evening, what a week. I'm back by the stairs, Ferdy's staircase, expertly modelled by Elvin and Tintin.
Hey guys, can you guys come up because you guys want to see how fast we are?
Yeah, we can come and see how fast you are. I'm just going to show everyone the stairs first, Elvin. It's just so nearly done. Just a little bit of welding at the top, right here.
Yeah, a bit welding.
A little bit of welding here and here.
Yeah.
What the hell are you doing?
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Go on then, show us how fast you are.
Okay. Shoes.
Yeah, very nice.
So now we're gonna weld.
Okay. Okay. Ooh, but yeah, the big thing today was taking out these beams in here. Man, so good. What a transformation. So yeah, next week we can box in around the edge, which is actually also a perfect conduit for some wiring, so we can do some wiring in here. Yeah, man, this place is going to be finished pretty soon. I keep saying that, but one of these days it'll be true. So yeah, thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. Maybe this was quite a long video. I feel like we've done so much this week. But yeah, next week, what are we going to do next week? Yeah, lighting, wiring and smoke alarms. Finish this floor. But yeah, lighting. I'm going to rent the Skylift at the end of next week, and I'm going to put the smoke alarms and ceiling lighting, wiring, all of that stuff in the studio, and maybe here in the lab as well, up on this ceiling, if I can fit the Skylift in here. So yeah, that'll be very, very, very nice to get that done. Okay, well, thanks again. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you really want to support us, then you can join our channel membership by clicking the little join button down below. Yeah, can't believe we've got this far. It's getting close. I will see you next time. Until then, look after each other, lots of love, and goodbye.